Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to increase or decrease text font size in a Kajabi CTA button. If you're building landing pages and want your call to action buttons to have more visual impact or fit better with your design, adjusting the button size is a quick way to control how prominent your CTA text appears on the page. First, head over to kajabi.com and sign in to your Kajabi account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard where you can access all your site building tools. From here, look to the left sidebar and click on Website. This will expand a menu with several options related to your site's pages and structure. From that expanded menu, select Landing Pages. This section is where Kajabi stores all the landing pages you've created for your offers, courses, or campaigns. You'll now see a list of all your landing pages. Scroll through until you find the specific landing page where you want to resize your CTA button. Click on that page to open it in the landing page editor. This is where you'll have full control over the layout and design elements of your page. Once you're inside the editor, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. This is the Object and Element Customization menu, which houses all the blocks and components you can edit on your page. From here, either select your existing CTA button if it's already on the page, or add a new call to action button if you haven't placed one yet. Clicking on the button will bring up its specific settings. Now scroll down within the call to action menu until you reach the section labeled Call to Action. This is where all the button customization options live. Look for the option that says Button Size. This is the control you'll use to adjust your CTA text font size. Keep in mind that Kajabi doesn't offer precise numerical value adjustments here. Instead, you'll choose from 3 preset sizes: small, medium, and large. Select the size that best fits your design and gives your button the presence you're aiming for. Once you've made your selection and you're satisfied with how the button looks, click the Save button located at the top right part of your screen. This ensures all your changes are applied and your landing page is updated with the new button size. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.